So
Yeah,
let's
that's true.
first
They
finish
do need
off.
an
Let's
offensive
let's
star
first
power.
give in our predictions for City versus Lyon. What do you guys think?
Oh, okay. City versus Leon. It's gonna be hard to call, but I think I'll go for a 3-1 Man City win because I mean, as much as I would like for Leon to win for obvious
Yeah.
reasons, but Kevin De Bruyne is a player that cannot be stopped right now, and whether it's
Hmm.
Gabriel Jesus or Sterling getting on the end of those chances,
I think there are two possibilities: either Man City winning by a very huge goal difference, or Lyon edging it by one goal.
I think it's a 4-1 victory at least for Man City because I think Pep will come out with all guns blazing and he'll want to make a statement. So I think it has to be a 4-1 or more victory for Man City. I praise Lyon for knocking Juventus out, but it's just that at
Yeah.
this point I think Lyon's luck will run out, and I think
yeah, they. I
Man
mean,
City will
I
take it.
mean, let's be honest. The penalty that Depay scored was a very dodgy one. As
Yeah, yeah.
brilliantly as the Panenka was scored, that was in no way a penalty,
I
and
think
I don't know
they
what
won by
happened with
they won by home
Wait,
goals, right?
but
Away
then the
goals.
Yeah, they won
penalty
by
was
away goal.
Away goals,
They
yeah.
won
Yeah,
on away
both
so
the
goal.
penalties. Both the penalties are very dodgy. Even the
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that's
mean,
true.
but
Juventus
That's
one.
they
true.
win,
at the
but I
same
think
time,
the luck was on their side.
What I didn't understand was how did VAR miss it? Like, how did they miss it? Like,
Oh,
it's not a
I
VR
think
has
penalty.
Aaron
been
is the best
VR
expert.
VR has
Aaron,
been shit the whole season, and I am so glad that they're changing some things for the next season,
But
at least in the Premier League.
For United,
But
it's been like
see,
pretty
I'll be
it's been
very
this
frustrating.
the
honest.
season
I'll
that
be
we think.
very honest. Two lucky VAR decisions that we got. Uh, I think there was one more, but I don't remember. But one I definitely agree with, which was lucky, was the Maguire red card against Chelsea.
oh, definitely,
Otherwise, and yes,
definitely,
and another one that
That
we
one
had.
hurts Ireland till now.
that one still hurts because we played you 4 times this season. We lost 3 times and we won
Yeah,
once.
but you won the like semi-finals. So.
Yeah, but they
Yeah, but
still
I would
lost
have
against
rather won
Arsenal.
in the league at least
But
once.
then you lost to Arsenal.
वो तो that is another story. वो तो referees का तो मैं तो दिमाग खराब हो गया मेरा honestly.
Oh
I
yeah,
have
I mean,
given up. I have given up at this point. I mean,
yeah,
I
I mean,
agreed we didn't play
I can
very well,
understand the
but the
They
point is
frustration.
printed.
I
referees
They
think
didn't give us
printed.
a winning
Arsenal
chance.
Arsenal winning
They printed.
Arsenal winning the FA Cup, even in their like I don't know worst season in this
That was
decade, just sums up 2020.
Yeah,
Also, one player who we missed was Arturo Vidal and his performance yesterday
oh
and
yes,
his comments.
I love that.
No, I had
I
him in
love
mind.
that.
I did like. I was surprised that he's in the. He should have played. Griezmann should have played for him, and Roberto should have been subbed out for Rakitic.
I mean, I'll be very honest. I don't blame Kike Setien for a lot of mistakes. I mean, he was the only
Yeah,
one who beat Valverde before he was fired. But
Enrique, man,
how?
I love that man.
Yeah, I mean, I'll be very honest. I mean, if Kike Setien brings on Antoine Griezmann with 5 minutes left against Atletico, uh, I don't understand why he's even
Yeah,
included him in the match day squad
I don't
yeah.
because
know
you
what.
because it was extremely evident that Barcelona were going to have to outscore Bayern Munich if they were to have a decent chance against them. And the fact that he played Arturo Vidal, I mean, as much as I personally liked it, especially because of the comments that Vidal made before the match, uh,
Oh,
Yeah, I know, I
that
know.
was
It has, yeah,
Overconfidence to
no.
another level.
Yeah.
best team in the world, Barcelona.
he could have just he could have just said that we're looking forward to the challenge, but he really had to go ahead and say that they're not playing a random Bundesliga team, they're playing the best team in the world. Only for
But
I mean,
like it
I
is.
after that I especially wanted Bayern to destroy
Yeah.
Barcelona,
I
although
don't
it's
think,
I
Stop,
mean,
stop.
I don't think Bundesliga is a very good league that way, but
but then if you
saying
compare
these
it with La
things
Liga,
give, yeah,
if you
but
compare
like
it with La
if you
Liga,
compare it to La Liga, there's not much difference to be very honest.
yeah,
As a Premier
so
League,
yeah.
then you cannot say that Barca are themselves like playing great opponents every week.
I think
in
it
the
was
La
just one
Liga.
of those instances where he wanted to he wanted to score a point against Bayern beforehand, just because there
Yeah.
is,
And then
he used to play for them.
Bayern
But
scored 8 points against him in the game.
You
I
know,
think
you know
yesterday
what
he should
Akash
have got
is?
a red card. I think yesterday he should have got a red card.
I
Like
mean, like
Yeah, I
just
mean,
honestly,
to
I think Vidal and even Jordi Alba for that matter. I mean, when Jordi Alba got the yellow card,
He he
I
he
mean,
threw the ball.
yeah, he threw the ball, but also like he was disrespecting the ref so much. I mean,
yeah,
it's crazy how the ref didn't just give him
no,
a red card. If I was the ref, I would have given him a red.
I think
yeah,
the scoreline got to his nerves.
yeah, but that still doesn't mean you disrespect the ref. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
one of
And
the
that
he
doesn't
most,
was
explain
like
his actions.
the ref ran behind him to give him the yellow because he wasn't
yeah,
facing the ref at first. And then as soon as the ref was
He
towards
turned.
his
Yeah,
left,
he
he
turned.
turned to the other
yeah,
side, just disrespecting him. I think at that point, if I was the ref, I would have just given him a red
yeah,
and
exactly. Had
told
it
him to
had
fuck
it been
off.
any one of the older refs, if you had someone like Pierluigi Collina, or if you had Mark
had it been
Clattenburg
had
or
it been
Mike
someone
Dean,
from the Premier League, had it been someone from the Premier League.
that is true. I mean, I'll
Fair.
be very honest. Had it been that for some reason, I'm forgetting his name, but the very prominent Turkish ref
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
usually referees a lot of major clashes in the Champions League or the Europa League. Yeah, Cuniyat Shakir. Had it been him, had
Hmm.
it been someone like Mike Dean, even Anthony
Yeah,
Taylor,
Mike Dean would
or
have
No. Yeah.
Anthony
or
Taylor for
Mark
Then
sure.
they would
Clattenburg
have.
or someone like Colina, they would have sent him off with a straight red.
Mike
I
Dean would
mean,
have also given a red card to
This,
Chelsea.
the second he threw the ball,
I
I
know,
would have given
I
him a
know.
red.
No, even Anthony Taylor for that matter, Bayern versus Barca, mein Chelsea would have gotten the red card. I am certain of that.
that's true.
Anyways.
That is true.